Boston. Your adventure awaits. Welcome to Boston, a city where history whispers from every cobblestone and modern energy pulses through its vibrant streets. Get ready to explore a destination that seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering something incredible for every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art enthusiast, or simply seeking adventure, Boston is calling your name. Step back in time and walk in the footsteps of American revolutionaries on the iconic Freedom Trail. This 2.5-mile red brick path winds through the heart of Boston, leading you on a captivating journey through 16 of the city's most significant historical sites. Prepare to be transported to the era of revolution and independence. Your adventure begins at Boston Common, America's oldest park, a place where history and recreation intertwine. Then, venture to Paul Revere's house, the home of a true American hero, and imagine life in colonial Boston. Don't miss the Old North Church, where the famous signal lanterns ignited the spark of revolution. Finally, stand at the site of the Boston Massacre, a pivotal moment that changed the course of American history. Immerse yourself in the world of art at the Museum of Fine Arts, MFA, home to an extensive collection spanning diverse periods and cultures, from ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces. There's something to ignite every page. Then, step into the enchanting Isabella Stewart Museum, where an eclectic collection and stunning architecture create a truly unforgettable experience. Experience the magic of the performing arts at the Boston Opera House, a renowned venue for opera and other spectacular performances. Explore the vibrant theater district, a hub of creativity and entertainment, where you can catch a Broadway show or a cutting-edge performance. Get ready to be captivated by the talent and artistry on display. Indulge your senses at Quincy Market, a bustling marketplace overflowing with diverse food vendors and tantalizing aromas. Sample classic New England clam chowder, a true Boston staple, or explore international cuisine from around the globe. This is a foodie paradise you won't want to miss. Venture into Boston's historic Italian neighborhood, the North End, where the aroma of authentic pasta and pastries fills the air. Treat yourself to a traditional Italian feast, or savor a delectable cannoli at a local bakery. This is a taste of Italy right in the heart of Boston. No trip to Boston is complete without indulging in fresh seafood, a true culinary highlight of the city. From succulent lobster rolls to perfectly grilled fish, the options are endless. Be sure to try some local oysters, a true Boston delicacy. Escape the city bustle and unwind in Boston Common, America's oldest park, perfect for leisurely strolls and relaxing picnics. Discover the beauty of the public garden, where you can glide across the water on the iconic swan boats and admire the vibrant floral displays. These green oases offer a welcome respite from the urban landscape. Take a scenic stroll along the Esplanade, a park along the Charles River offering breathtaking city views. Explore the Harbor Walk, a picturesque path that winds along the harbor, providing stunning vistas of the waterfront. These waterfront destinations are perfect for enjoying the fresh air and soaking in the beauty of Boston. Venture across the Charles River to Cambridge and explore the historic campus of Harvard University, one of the world's most prestigious institutions. Wander through its hallowed halls and admire the stunning architecture. Feel the weight of history and the energy of innovation in this academic powerhouse. Get a glimpse into the future at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, a hub of cutting-edge research and innovation. Explore the campus and witness the groundbreaking work being done in science and technology. This is where the future is being invented. Take a day trip to Salem, famous for its captivating witch trials history. Explore the historic sites and museums that tell the story of this dark chapter in American history. Discover the spooky side of Massachusetts. Journey south to the site of the first Pilgrim settlement in America. Step back in time and learn about the Pilgrims' journey and their impact on American history. This is where the story of America truly began. Boston offers an unforgettable blend of history, culture, and modern life, creating a truly unique travel experience with something to captivate every visitor. From historical landmarks to culinary delights, you're sure to fall in love with this vibrant and historic city. So pack your bags, prepare to explore, and get ready to be charmed by Boston. Your adventure awaits.